How many people die from rabbit every year? Did you know that between 1990 and 2018, the World Health Organization reported 15 human deaths worldwide caused by rabbit bites? Surprisingly, in the United States, there were only 1 to 2 reported deaths per year from rabbit bites between 2002 and 2015. Australia, there were 15 serious rabbit bite cases between 2000 and 2019, but thankfully, no fatalities. However, in Japan, a tragic incident involved a 4-year-old boy in 2013 bitten by rabbit, leading bleeding and death. And in South Africa, a 45-year-old man died after being attacked by a pack of wild rabbits while he was out hiking in 2015. Stay safe out there, folks.